Anyway, I've just came outside. I'm going to fetch the car out, sit it beside the Puma. Just let you see a few of the cars that are sitting around here. That's actually a Honda. So obviously get different cars in to trade back in. So I'm not sure if this is the Toyota Yaris, I think it is. Yep. So pretty much the same as mine, but different wheels and such like. So just go along the row here. You have a Honda and a Volkswagen. By another Volkswagen here. And a RAV4 with 22 plate. Very nice colour. So I think that might be in a go. And another Toyota Yaris here. So I'm not sure if all these are for sale or not, or belong to some of the people that work here, I'm not so sure. So I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. It's probably fully electric, I would imagine. Seems to be a Toyota CHR here. Another Yaris Cross in the goldy sort of colour. Another hybrid. Not sure what it is, to be honest. Well, I've seen this car before. It's my Ford Puma, just approaching 2 years of age, and been no problems whatsoever. Anyway, went down the hybrid route, saved the planet, possibly anyway. So it's sort of the same colour as my Ford Puma there, except mine's is dirty. I'm not just exactly sure what these are. Can't really see quite in the rain. Can't really see inside to see what they are. But there's quite a selection here anyway, hybrids. So this one priced at 32,000. It's a GR, whatever. Also we have a Volkswagen GTI here. Hyundai. Probably the Hyundai's promise here. So all these firms have done very well, and especially electrification. It's the Capture. I did have a look at a Capture, but decided on the Toyota Yaris Cross there. It's a Vauxhall. Not sure what it is, whether it's a Astra. That's in a go. Well, there's quite a selection of cars here anyway, that's for sure. It's an Astra, that one. Volkswagen Passat. It's actually better when you're at the back. You can see what they are. Capture, DCI, a Duster, they seem to be selling fairly well. Another Capture, the Seat Ateca, Hyundai Iconic, a hybrid as well, Hyundai i10, another i10 there. That's the Volkswagen Golf Grandland X on an 18 reg. A Kia Ceed, Volkswagen T-Roc. Quite an unusual car, this one. It's Audi A1. Another Audi Q2, little Fiesta, very good car, nice colour. Vauxhall Astra, Volkswagen Polo, pretty much the same size. And here we have a Ford Focus in white, followed by a Honda Civic. I did have two Honda Civics in the past, many years ago. I'll just go at the front. Hopefully we'll fetch my car out soon. Head back down the road there. It's a Honda CR-V on a 66 plate. So here we have a Corsa, Vauxhall of course, and I think it's the only BMW I've seen. Parks Motor Group. And here we have a Audi Q2 TDI. Very unusual Rexon Sanyong 4-wheel drive EXL, or ELX rather, followed by a Mercedes GLC 250. And here we have a lovely Ford Focus on a 20 plate, an estate. So there is cars all over, to be honest. Today I'm just sort of concentrating down on this side. So it's a Ford Focus ST line estate on a 20 plate. And the asking price is $18,495. $26,995 for the Mercedes. And this Sanyong 28,495, and the Audi 13,995, BMW 17,295, and the Vauxhall 17,995. So obviously you'd have to check these prices, because sometimes they do change them, don't sit here at the same price forever. So I don't think they fetched the car out yet. Well, they fetched it out now. Well, it maybe is out actually. Oh, they've got them both together. Anyway, that's a new Toyota Yaris Cross hybrid back at Murray Court. So we're going to have some lunch a bit later than usual. Quite hungry. I've also got the fire test with Sandra, so we're going to head away and say goodnight to the Yaris. Catch it tomorrow.